Hi, my name is Maggie Karchnia. I am a stormwater extension educator with Minnesota Sea Grant and the University of Minnesota Water Resources Center. Today we're here in the beautiful Duluth Harbor for the first ever Educator Workshop on the water. At this workshop, we've invited educators, both formal and informal, from all across Minnesota as well as Wisconsin. They're joining us today along with 4 different researchers from the University of Minnesota to talk about all of the great resources that the Great Lakes provide and how they can do different projects to increase water quality and flood resilience of their local communities. Educators were able to play the Watershed Game today on the boat. Now, the Watershed Game introduces students to how what they do on the land impacts the water quality and flood resilience of the communities and water resources below. At the end of this workshop, educators are going to be able to walk away off the boat with new kits to take back to their students, new resources to use with their programming. There's going to be the Watershed Game that they can now play with their classrooms, and a whole lot of new connections with each other as well as the researchers at the University of Minnesota. Thank you so much for joining us today as we walk through this wonderful Educator Workshop on the water.
I'm Mark Krippner from Sartell High School. I enjoyed being on the lake today. It was a great learning environment.
Hi, I'm Donna Brunskill. I'm a science teacher from John Adams Middle School in Rochester, Minnesota. I'm up here at the Sea Grant Workshop and having a lot of fun, just exploring the harbor, learning more about everything that Sea Grant has to offer and how I can get my students into doing real research, marine-based research. So, thank you.
I'm Michelle Lesky. I teach at Foley Intermediate School. I really enjoyed learning about the current research that's happening on the Great Lakes.